Hey, welcome to week 137 of my renovation on Iris Street. It's all about hanging some wall cabinets this week, so let's get to it. On Wednesday, my buddy Michael and I were headed to the movies to watch the new Fast 10 when we happened across one of the most stunning sunsets I've ever seen in Colorado. I asked Mike to get some video on my phone while I was driving. It doesn't quite do it justice, but you can still tell it was one for the books. On Saturday, I bring all the wall cabinets upstairs and start staging them in place. Tomorrow, my dad will be up to help me hang them, so today I want to make sure everything is organized and accounted for. In the evening, I assemble one of the final base cabinets just to get it done. Like clockwork, my dad is up here at 9 a.m. on Sunday and we start prepping the wall cabinets for hanging. These cabinets are mounted with 3-inch cabinet screws, which are a number 10 screw with a large flat head to provide strong holding power. It takes us a while to get into a groove, but we eventually figure out that it works well to project a laser line, mount a temporary board underneath, mount the cabinet to the wall, and finally install any anchoring screws between faceplates to keep them flush. There are still some doors to mount after Dad leaves, but the important two-man job of hanging all the wall cabinets is complete. On Monday, I build the final base cabinet, which just happens to be the cabinet for my farmhouse sink. That's all for week 137. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, think about how much wood glue it takes to assemble a kitchen.